have heard the news by now that the provisional suspension of Bahraini 400 meters world champion Salwa Aid Nasser has been lifted. In one of the 4 whereabout rule violation allegations, the doping officers went to a neighboring address instead of Nasser's address, while the other 3 violations were not inside a 12-month period, so do not constitute a violation. So Nasser walks free. And look, I am wary of this whereabout violation rule. This particular rule seems to be more about punishing athletes than actually finding out if they're taking drugs. For me, if you can't find the athletes today, you find them tomorrow, or the day after, or the day after, or the day after for that matter, and test them. Yes, personally, I am happy that Nasser bust this case. Importantly now, all things remaining equal, the action-starved athletics fans can now look forward to that big rematch between Nasser and Shawnee Miller-Weebo at the Olympics next year. With this latest development, that women's 400-meter event will now return to its pride of place as arguably the most intriguing clash on the track in Tokyo next year. And that to me is what it's all about, and not about whether the dope testers find the athlete on Tuesday instead of Wednesday, or on Friday instead of Saturday, or on Saturday instead of Sunday. They have an idea. They have an idea.